Hi, financial correspondent Jen Rezac here. I am with Calvin Getz. He is the founder of Strategy Financial Group. Calvin, when it comes to long-term care, why should women especially be concerned about planning for this and preparing for that in retirement?
Sure. So women typically live about 5 years longer than men, and they're the surviving spouse nearly 80% of the time, which means while they were the caregiver potentially for their partner, there's nobody there for them. And so when you couple longer life expectancies with being the solo spouse, it really puts pressure on women to make sure they've got a plan in place for home care and long-term care in retirement.
Yeah, one of those areas where we don't want to make assumptions, we don't want to procrastinate. It's important to learn more about this and then to get started in creating a plan, right?
That's right. Nearly 80% of people in nursing homes are women.
Oh, wow.
So that's why my team and I have created this retirement roadmap kit. Whether you're nearing retirement, you've just retired, or you've been retired a long time, the tools in this kit are designed to help you have a plan for long-term care, especially for women. And every day that goes by that women don't have a plan for retirement is really risking their future financial security.
Right. That's one of those things that's really important to point out. It really can be too late if you procrastinate too much on this. So that's why we talk about getting started sooner rather than later.
That's right. You want to make sure you put a plan in place, usually in your mid to late 50s or early 60s, while you're still insurable.
Yeah, and when it comes to that retirement roadmap kit, here's how you can get it today. You can call, text, or go online and get Calvin's free retirement roadmap kit. Calvin, thanks so much for joining me today.
Thank you, Jen.
And thank you for watching this week's Retirement Report. We'll see you next time.